Okay, welcome to Dark Stories Workshop. I found this game interesting because I can run it. That's the only thing. That is quite literally the only reason I can give you right now. Wait, why is it so dark in here? Whoa. Why is my sensitivity so long? Sorry, give me a oh, really? That low? Jesus, okay. Apparently I need to... There we go. Okay. Where am I? Who am I? What am I? Oh. Hi, mate. Why? I'm not sure why, but the lights have been fucking up in here today. It's alright though, we'll have a... Pardon-moi? We'll have a go at the boss tomorrow, the prick. There's a torch in the office, best to take it so you don't trip and break your neck if they go out again. Pardonnez-moi, excuse the bitch out of me? Okay. Here's the torch. Or here's the flashlight. F for oh. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, I prefer the light. Thank you. Interesting. What's this? Nothing. What's you? Can I have a snack? No. Can I leave? As much as I want to leave, I just started work. Great. Oh, so I'm working. I work at a factory. Okay. Who am I? What's my name? What's my business? Is this my business? I don't think it's my business. Nope. I work at a car dealership, it looks like. Car factory. No? No. What even am I supposed to do? What? Excuse me, is anybody here? I don't think nobody's here, yeah. And I can't run for some reason. There's no running. Stop. Stop. What's this? Jesus Christ, man, is there something fucking going on? I've had to lock the door, nothing to get in. Nothing can get it. I need to find something to get the change with. Okay. Stop. The ambience is really creepy. Interesting. Okay. Fuck me. You're late tonight. I might be down the shop or something when you read this. There's something really odd going on though. I can't tell if maybe someone has broken in while we've been off. I keep hearing noises and what sounds like talking. See if you can hear it too. Speak to you later. I can open gates by... Yep. Cool. I'm just gonna do this and just go up. I'm just gonna go this way and just not bother anybody. I'm not gonna bother nobody. I'm just gonna go this way. Hello? Hello? Fuck off. Come in here and I'll kill you. Interesting. Shit, it's locked. The key should be downstairs in the cash register. What's that? What? Yep. You know what? I'm just gonna leave. Fucking Christ. Cool. Stop. I'm just gonna grab the keys and just run. This is gonna happen. Do I see anything apart from nothing? Nope, I see nothing. Okay. Hello? Hello? Jesus Christ. Gary, I need to get the fuck out of here. Oh, goddamn it, now I can sprint. And we good, we just good. I don't care. Huh? I don't care. Okay, I think it's bugged. Because I feel like I'm just gonna narrate what I think happened. I don't know what happened in there. And I don't want to figure out. I'm gonna quit tomorrow, and I'm gonna tell my boss to fuck off and call the police, because that's what a normal and reasonable person is going to do. In the meantime, I'm gonna go back home and jerk off to, I don't know, women or men. I don't know. Okay. Well then, if you like that video, please subscribe. I'm desperate. I am desperate for subscribers. Also, why do I have a lisp? Why do I always fumble on my words? Also, like, subscribe. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, my opinion on this is, I think it was on my phone, I think it was my computer, it did not load correctly, and yeah, but it was a good game, good atmosphere, good. Okay, bye.